Jim Cramer is a very, very powerful man when he tells you to sell something. Well, not sell something, but when he's bearish on something and he says that the stock price is going to go down, it will most likely go down because he's a powerful man. He's been on the markets a lot, and a lot of big money listens to Jim Cramer. So Jim Cramer came out and he was a little bit bearish on hyliion. He was positive and he was bearish on hyliion, and he got a lot of thumbs down. 83 thumbs down and 92 thumbs up. And you know, look at this comment: don't listen to Cramer, he just wants to get in the stock at 20 because he finally sees how much potential it has. 33 thumbs up. So yeah. So will this stock go down to 20 in the 20s? I think there's a big possibility it will. But yeah, Jim Cramer is a very powerful man, and he is he's usually right most of the time. Most of the time, not all the time, most of the time. He was right on Tesla. We was calling Tesla a buy at 350, and he said that Tesla would be a giant, like a big giant in the near future here, and he was right. The stock skyrocketed. So, and now he's telling you that hyliion is going to go down to in the 20s, and I think that there's a big possibility it will. Let's just listen to quickly what he had to say, and then I will comment down
on this. Look, I like that hyliion has an actual product. I think that's terrific. I like that it's a business, not merely a business plan in search of businesses. hyliion feels much closer to being a reality than most of these early-stage electric vehicle plays. And they've clearly put a lot of thought into how to get their technology out there without needing to upend the entire trucking industry. Of course, the dirty secret here is that hyliion's not necessarily an electric vehicle play. They're working on electric powertrains for trucks that run on diesel and natural gas. I don't think it's a big deal, though, unless Tesla comes along with a plug-in battery-powered truck. My big concern here is the stock price. When Cordis Acquisition announced the hyliion deal, its stock spiked from $10 in mid-June to $34 less than 2 weeks later. It cooled off from those levels before roaring to the mid-50s after Tesla really took off in August. Now, I have repeatedly warned you about the way these SPACs trade. They tend to spike going to the deal, and then they pull back hard when the transaction went through in late September. The newly minted hyliion stood at 53. Since then, it's come right back down, falling to 28 as of today. I don't know if you've seen it. It's been hideous. The darn thing got way too hot for its own good. Icarus. Bottom line, given the trajectory of these SPAC deals, I'm betting hyliion will have more downside before it bottoms. But I have to tell you, I kind of like the story. And I think it's worth buying if you can get the stock around $20, maybe less. Please.
There you go, $20 or less. And when he made the video, hyliion was trading at $28. And the fact that the market is also being a little bearish right now is helping hyliion to go down. If we look at hyliion from a charting perspective, it totally looks like it's bearish right now. And I think that there's a possibility it can go down further. I think we will see 20 on it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. We'll see if that happens, but probably going to get a little bit of hate on this video. Am I going to buy hyliion at 20? Probably not. Maybe. I mean, I might buy some call options. But will I buy stock? I don't know. I still think that at at $20, they're still evaluated at $3 billion. So, is $3 billion a lot? I don't know. It depends on how you think about it. I mean, Dana is a lot cheaper than hyliion. And Dana is a real revenue-generating company. So even if hyliion became a real revenue company, does that mean that the market is going to reward it? No, it could keep going down. Big money can move the market at the end of the day, so we'll see where that goes. The market right now is red. I mean, today was red, but right now the SPY is bouncing back a little bit. But I'll be honest with you, it doesn't look pretty. Election is coming up. Maybe, I'm thinking that by the time the election comes, the stock will be below $322, and then it'll bounce back after the election is over, or maybe it'll continue to keep going down. One of the two scenarios is going to happen. We'll see. Nordic American tankers. The lower this thing goes, the more happy I am, because like I said, I'm hoping this thing goes to like 250. That would be an absolutely big buying opportunity. I would load the boat on it at 250. So let's see where this brings. But there's been insiders buying at this at 350. So I figured that I make a video, short sellers would come in and short the stock. They fell into my trap. I'm just kidding. I don't know, but I do have shares. And yeah, I'm bag holding right now, but I'm not bag holding by about a lot. So, I mean, I can always sell for a loss and then rebuy back in at a better price. But yeah, we'll see. Hey, look, Giga Metals is advertising to me. Kindness. Good, because I'm a shareholder of Giga Metals, and I don't know why they're advertising to me. But hey, GameStop right now is down. Ooh, up 23 cents after hours. Any news? No news. Any news? What news did GameStop have? Why is it up a little bit? Crazy hyper pump. I don't know. Whatever. It's up 23 cents, 14 cents after hours. We'll see where that goes. AMC Entertainment Holdings up 2 cents today. 2 cents after hours. Not too much to say about that. Hertz Equipment Rental up 14 cents after hours. AMD is up 34 cents after hours. Xilinx is not really doing too much after hours. Diamond Peak Holdings got a bearish video from Caspian Academy talking about how Lordstown is a fraud, but that's their opinion, and everyone's allowed to have an opinion. So is it a fraud? I don't think it's a fraud. I guess maybe with Donald Trump being involved, it could be a fraud. I don't know. But I don't think it's a fraud. I still have shares. Like I said, big money moves the stock. So big money wants to plummet this thing back to $10. It'll go back to $10. And that's the risk I take for holding on to the stock. Intel is up 39 cents after hours. Intel is having earnings up here very soon. Nvidia up $2.84 after hours, down today 2.27%. Tesla was down today because the market was down today, but it's bouncing back after hours. They are having earnings coming up here very, very soon. Electroma needs news. They need news bad, or else the stock chart looks bearish right now. Still has a chance to uptrend, but they really need some kind of big catalyst, big news catalyst. NEO is up 5 cents after hours. Xpeng was down 8.87% today. That is big movement to the downside. I say if you can catch this thing at $17, would be a buying opportunity. We'll see what happens. Nikola is bouncing after hours a little bit. Giga Metals had a decent day today, up 10 cents. It was up as much as 91 cents during the day, and then it fell back. Canada Nickel also had a decent day today, but it fell back during trading. And FPX, same thing. Talon Metal was just kind of bearish today. Canopy Growth had a really nice day today, up $2.06, 11.61%. Aurora was up 69 cents today. It's pulling back 10 cents after hours, but really nice day today. Really good volume, 25 million shares traded. Obviously, this is not retail investors. This is controlled by big money, maybe the banks. High Tide is not getting rewarded for being a good company. Tilray is getting pumped too. It got pumped 16.55% today. Hennessy Hexel also got pumped a little bit today, up 3 cents. Planet 13 today is starting to look a little bearish. Liberal Health Science today was down a penny. Beyond Meat after hours is going, Beyond Meat's just been trading sideways for a while. Very good food company, same thing, trading sideways. Kira had a nice little pump near the end of the day. Cresco Labs is looking just kind of trading sideways. Harvest is having earnings coming up here November 10th. The stock traded sideways today. Green Thumb Industries, sideways action. Bitcoin is looking bullish. So yeah, Hive is trading sideways today, and PIC XL Fleet looks like this hype was nothing more than hype. Anyways, that is it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.